Hi friends, this is 5 Mr. YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V23 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how we can remove or replace camera shortcut on lock screen of a phone Vivo V23. Put lock screen and you will see on the bottom right side there will be camera icon. Swiping up on that icon will directly open your camera. If you want this icon to be removed, then you can do it. Just go to the settings of a phone here and click on lock screen and wallpaper. Click on lock screen and wallpaper. Now click on lock screen settings and click on right shortcut, and you can replace camera with other one. Here I replace it with wallet. Now I put lock screen and see here camera is replaced with wallet. Again go to settings and click on lock screen and wallpaper. Click on lock screen settings and click on left shortcut. In this way you can also replace left shortcut. By default it is with dialer button, and now it is replaced with another one. So in this way you can easily replace camera shortcut on lock screen. That's all friends. Bye.